Let's unbox the 720S from Chargetech. 720S is a super slim 20,000 mAh power bank for personal, business, or school use. It features lithium-polymer batteries and a sleek, easy-to-carry form factor. It can slip into your bag with ease and is unobtrusive sitting on a desk. There are 4 ports up top, 2 Type-C and 2 USB-A. It can output 110 watts total and 100 watts from the PD Type-C port. It shows battery capacity remaining and output voltage and current on the screen. Lastly, it comes with an included 100 watt Type-C to Type-C charging cable. For more information, please visit chargetech.com.